So today we are discussing about the 2nav handheld GPS. This is a very small in size, and this is having a 3.2-inch screen, and this is very light in weight, and the battery backup is for 20 hours. So let us open and see. So this is the power button, and this is a complete touchscreen GPS. So we turn it on. This indicates that the battery is full and the instrument is on. Now this is the total GPS screen. Here this is having very good features when compared to the other models. So if we go to the technical specifications, this is having a good screen size, and this is all touch screen, and it is IP67 and has a shock and waterproof. This is about 150 to 170 grams in weight. So this is like very handy. And when it comes to the storage, this is having a 32 GB of inbuilt memory. Yeah, it doesn't have a memory slot option. So you can load any kinds of map or any photographs if you have in this directly. And this is actually having a 3300 mAh battery, so it will come for almost 20 hours. And this is having a port of USB. This is something like a C-type cable we have. So this is a C-type cable for charging and also for data transfer. This unit is having features like the mode in which you can select the activity, whether it is a profiling or bike or road bike, or we can add any other names also. And when we see the activity, usually when you are going for a measurement or when you are going for a route or area calculation or any other purpose, you can just press the start and then you walk around. Then it will record the distance in meters, and then the elevation here, and also the time. This is used for many purposes. People who are going for walking or running or even for survey, they can use this. This is also having different kind of sensors which you can attach them, because this is enabled with Bluetooth, so you can directly add any device to this. And coming to the satellites, if you can see here, then you'll have different satellite connections: GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, Baidu, SBUS, and this. If you see here, you can see these are the features what you have. GPS, you have GPS GLONASS, you have GPS Galileo, and Baidu also. And when it comes to the advanced GPS settings, you can connect any external GPS if you have. So in the satellite status, you can see the number of satellites and the accuracy and the coordinates. Once you go into the open sky, you will get the signal. And after this, you have Wi-Fi. If you want to connect the instrument to the Wi-Fi, then you connect it to the Wi-Fi so that you can transfer the data to the cloud. This cloud service is a paid thing. So if you are registering yourself in the cloud, then you can directly upload the data into the cloud, and this will help other people to access instead of you directly going to the office and sharing. So you can upload the data into the cloud, and that data can be accessed by anyone. So once you have a proper signal, then you can pinch in and out for zooming, just like the Android, or you can use that plus and minus also to zoom in and zoom out. The best feature about this unit is you can actually add any kind of maps, something like a street map or any topo sheet. So what you can do is you can just go for the map types here. In the map type, you have a raster map, you have the vectorial map, and also any OSM sheet. If OpenStreetMaps you can add, or you can also add the marine charts. If you have any marine chart, you can add the marine chart also. So that is why we have given the internal storage of 30 GB approximately. So if you see here, you have a menu in which you can see the my activities. It will be sorted by the date and the routes, which will show you any kind of routes that have been recorded, and then the waypoints. This will show you the waypoints, and also the when it comes to the maps, you can see any maps that are being loaded. So if you click on the eye symbol, then that will be hidden, and if you want to see it again, you can just click on it and it will go on to the top. In this way, you can add any kind of map which is available in the internet, or any other map which you have. So based on that, you will get a detailed map. And when it comes to the settings, you'll have the activity profiles, and then system display. In this, you can adjust the brightness and units. In the measurements, you can add the distance as kilometers or miles or meters, and the altitude and the distances, the area. If you want, you can change it to acres, like this. So these are the basic fundamental settings you do. And then coming to the coordinates, you can change the coordinates to latitude, longitude, or any UTM coordinates, and then the degrees to minutes, seconds, or degrees, like this. And you can also select the datum, and then the time zone also you can change. And this is search option in which you can select any point of interest if you have by location, or the waypoints, or even the coordinates also. You can add the latitude, longitude, and then press OK. You'll see the direction here, and this is the total map. So if you zoom out or zoom in, you'll have the map of a particular area, or the map which is already loaded. This is actually a map that is loaded from the OSM, that is from the OpenStreetMap. So you just minimize it, and then you'll see the tracks and routes, or the outline of a particular area. If you press on the hairline, it will directly show you the location. And here you have the northing, and according to the direction. And then you have 2D and 3D also. So 3D will be something like when you are going for any digital elevation models or 3D map, then when you click on the 2D, it will become 3D, and this 3D will give you a three-dimensional look. And once you have the signal, then you can directly press on this point, then you'll get the waypoint saved at that location. And when you click it here, you will have a full screen, and when you click it here, it will get the normal screen. And once you press start, this will ask you if you want to go for a free activity, or any follow route, or any track, or go to a place, or training by distance, and also any latest destinations if you have. So these features will help you in recording the data. Once you have the signal, then you will get the track activated, and in that track you can walk or travel in any vehicle, and that will record the whole distance and area.